Hello and welcome back to Excel series. Today we're learning about formulas, which is how Excel will help us with the mathematics and calculating everything we need the way we need it. Why is this useful? Well, for adults, imagine all the bills there, you automatically get the sum and you know exactly how much you spend that day or that week or that month. And for kids, all the scores, you get automatically all your results. With this, Excel is saving time and helping us. And that's how it feels like a magic wand. And as you know, we can make various exercises, we can make various mathematical exercises I'm thinking about. The first one is addition. So we start with the equal sign because every formula in Excel begins with an equal sign and then we make the addition. Let's see. Equals 1 plus 2, 3. Try equals 5 plus 10 and see what happens. Another thing we could do is use other basic operations like subtract, multiply, or divide. Let's see. How do we begin? Equals 10 minus 7. We have 3 again. Okay, now we can multiply. Equals 3 times 3 is 9. And now we can divide 9 divided by 3 is 3. And there you go. And you can have all kinds of other operations. You should also know about the order of operation, that Excel follows the normal math rules. Multiplication and division come first, then addition and subtraction. You can use parentheses to change the order. Let's see. For example, equals 1 plus 3 times 9 divided by 3. Here we have 10. If I say equals 1 plus 5, parentheses, 3 plus 2, close it, divided by 2. It says we found a typo. Do you want to accept correction? Yes, yes. So whatever it asks you, you think about it. I probably didn't type everything correctly, but now it's okay. You can see here. Here you have it all. Equals 1 plus 5 multiplied parentheses 3 plus 2 divided by 2 and again. Now when you find yourself in a situation like this, you have undo here in the upper left corner. Undo, undo, and here we are. You see, you find yourself everything. As long as you didn't save it, once you save it, it's gone. You can always go undo or you can go redo if you want to go forward. So we have 1 plus 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2 in parentheses divided by 2. And this is how it should look like. Then we can copy a formula. Once you create a formula, you can copy it to other cells. Excel adjusts it automatically. And it's very handy when you make your budget or when you have a long list like this. You go down. Or let's say this is 1, this is 2, and the formula is equals, then I take this plus this. what happens if I take this and drag it down? You see, 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 is E5 plus E4. 8 is E6 plus E5. So it follows the rule. When you drag it down, you have the same formula, just adjust it. There are some situations that you should know when you will get something that the first time you see it will probably puzzle you or make you a little bit afraid. Don't worry, I will tell you what to do. For example, here we have 0, and we decided that it is equal 3 divided by 0. You will receive this answer, which is only telling you that you have an error, and you shouldn't worry. It just means that something in the formula is not right. So with practice, you will learn what you need to do. In this case, we divided by 0, and this is, of course, impossible. So we just delete it. And there is another situation. For example, you have a list with, I don't know, cats and dogs, and by mistake you go and you try to divide dog by cat, and you will receive also this answer. Again, this is a small error. You cannot divide something that is not a number. Simply what you do, you go, you check, and you will find why this happened, like in this case. So please, now you know some things and you should practice. And that's it about formulas. Excel can do for you all the calculations automatically. You learned how to do adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and even handling more serious stuff in the future. In the next lesson, we will explore some other formulas like sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count. These are pre-made formulas that make your life even easier. See you in lesson number 4.